Hello everyone, today we'll talk about electromagnetism and its importance in information communication technology. Electromagnetism is a force behind electricity, and magnetism play a key role in computers, networks, and wireless communication. Understanding it helps us appreciate how modern technology works.
What is electromagnetism? It is the interaction between electricity and magnetism. It is one of the fundamental forces of nature. Scientists like Michael Faraday and James Clerk Maxwell help us understand it.
How electromagnetism works in ICT. Electricity and magnetism moving electric charges create magnetic fields, which is essential for electronic devices. Wireless communication technologies like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile network use electromagnetic waves to send data. Electromagnetic waves. These waves allow data transmission in fiber optics and radio signals.
Electromagnetism in ICT, wireless communication, used in smartphone, the internet and satellites, data storage, hard drives and memory devices, store and retrieve information using electromagnetism, networking, routers, modems and cables rely on electromagnetic signals for data exchange, screen and displays, LCD, LED, and OLED screens use electromagnetism to show images and videos.
Electromagnetism is essential in ICT, enable wireless and communication, data storage, and modern device. By understanding it, we can improve technology and create innovation.